number and the second number, we get one result. When we change the place of the numbers, you see that here is the A number on the first place and B number is the second place, and we get one result. Here in the first place is number B and the second place is number A, and we get the same result like in the first sentence. And we can write this A plus B is the same like B plus A. We can see that in this number, like this is the number 1365 plus 81, and we get 1006, yes, and we change the places of the numbers here. In the first place, it was the number 1365, and here is the number 81, but the result is the same like in the first place. Then we can write it 1365 plus 81 is equal like 81 plus 1065.